Easy or tough?
Easy.
Yes? Easy. Okay, I know your marks. You also know your marks, right? Okay. Okay, children. See? So we'll start the class now. Okay, we'll start the class now. So children, we were talking about the solutions. So write the next question. Write the question. I'll write the question. You have your notes, right? Yes, children? Do you have your notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, take your notes. Okay, I'll write the question. Okay, the question is, can you see the board? Can you see the
Yes,
board?
ma'am.
The question is, check which of the following. Question 1, check which of the following, which of the following, which of the following are solutions, are solutions, solutions of the equation. Which of the following are solutions of the equation? Which of the following are solutions of the equation? Of the equation? X minus 2y equal to 4. X minus 2y equal to 4. And which are not? Which are not? Which are not? So the equation is x minus 2y equal to 4, and you will be getting different solutions. You have to check whether these are which are the proper solutions. Okay, so write the first one. Can you see? First one is 0, 2. Second one 2, 0. Third one 4, 0. And fourth one root 2, 4 root 2. And fifth one 1, 1. Listen. Fagad came.
Can you show that one more time?
Yes, yes, I'll show the question. Wait. Okay, children. See? Okay. So I will show how to do it. Okay, Fagad Sheikh came. Fagad Sheikh, turn on your video. Did you submitted it? Did you submitted your questions?
Yes, ma'am. Submitted.
And what
Yes,
about
ma'am.
yesterday's exam?
Yesterday, that was connecting problem.
Yes?
Yesterday, network problem.
Yesterday there was network problem.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Today
you-
submitted.
Yesterday you submitted?
No, ma'am. I'm told to call me.
Ma'am told which was the exam, Fagad?
English.
English. And who was teaching English? Anupama ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, children. Okay, okay, Fagad, I'll call you evening. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this was the question. 0 2 2 0 4 0 root 2 4 root 2 1 1. And we have to check whether these are the original solutions or simply given some numbers. So how to check? Listen, our equation is x. I'll show once. I'll show how to do it. Our equation is x minus, can you see? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
And our answers we will check. First equation we will write first. X minus 2y equal to 4. Is this the equation? Yes? Is this the equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And our solution is 0, 2. Once first solution is 0, 2. Okay, children. So how to find out? I will show you. Listen. You have to write the LHS. You have to write the LHS. LHS is x minus 2y equal to 4. Sorry. The equation is x minus 2y equal to 4 and LHS is x minus 2y only. Clear? LHS, you don't write the 4 there. Just write x minus 2y only. Now, 0, 2 you have to submit here. 0, 2. Instead of x you have to substitute 0 and instead of y you have to substitute 2. So what will be the answer? 0 minus, instead of x 0 and instead of y 2. 2 into 2. And it is 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 is minus 4. What about the RHS? RHS which number?
4.
4.
Positive
But we got the answer as minus 4. Is it correct?
No,
No.
ma'am.
So this is not the RHS. So you have to write like this. That is 0, 2 is not a solution. Is not a solution. I will give you once again check. X minus 2y is the x minus 2y equal to 4 is our equation. Take LHS only. Don't write 4 there earlier. X minus 2y in place of x substitute 0 and in place of y substitute 2. And when you substitute and find the simplify it, you will get a value. If it is the same value given in the RHS, right side of the equation, it is a solution. If it is not the same value, it is not a solution. Okay, children? Yes, did you understand?
Ma'am, how we will take y as 2?
Because the equation is given as 0, 2. Can you see? Can you see first value? What was the first value?
2y.
No, 0, 2.
0, 2. But ma'am, okay. So we will take y as 2.
Yes. And next, second one. Second solution also we will check in the same manner. What is the second value? Tell me what is the second value?
2, 0.
2, 0. Here what is x? X equal to 2. And what is y?
0. 0.
0. And our equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. Take only LHS. Don't write RHS now. Take only LHS, that is x minus 2y. And substitute this x and y instead of in this equation.
2 minus
Yes, 2 minus.
2 into 0.
Yes, 2 minus 2 into 0. What is 2 into 0?
0.
0. 2 minus 0, what is the answer?
2.
Is it the RHS?
2.
No.
2 minus 0.
2. But RHS is 4. It is not equal to RHS. So, conclusion is 2, 0 is not a solution. Is not a solution.
Mom,
Yes.
2 minus 2 is 0, right?
Where is 2 minus 2? Who is that? I want to see that person.
Shania.
Tanya. See children, 2 minus 0, 2 minus 2. 2 into 0 you have to do first. Multiplication, do first multiplication. BODMAS. BODMAS rule. Do the multiplication first. Okay. 2y, find the value of 2 into 0 first. That is 2 minus 0. Clear? Did you understand? Shania, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll check the third value. So this is also not a solution. And third one is, what is third number? What is third number?
4, 0.
4, 0. So can you substitute it? Third one is 4, 0. 4, 0. And write the equation. X minus 2y equal to 4. Write LHS. X minus 2y. Substitute there.
Ma'am, 4.
Yes?
4. It is
4 minus
4
2
minus
into 0.
2 into 0.
4 minus, what is 2 into 0, Shania? Shania, will you subtract this 4 and 2?
No, ma'am.
So 2 into 0?
0.
0. So 4 minus 0 is 4.
4.
Is it same as the RHS?
Yes.
So it is RHS, and what is our conclusion?
Therefore,
4, 0 is a solution. 4, 0 is a solution. Okay. Okay. Now we will check for the next one also. Next one is
root 2, 4 to root 2.
root 2 for root 2. Okay. Solution is fourth one, root 2 and 4 root 2. Root 2 and 4 root 2. And equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. Okay. Then x minus 2y is the LHS. Listen carefully. It is all root 2, just check x minus 2y and x equal to root 2 and y equal to 4 root 2. You have to substitute here. So you will get root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2. That is root 2 minus 2 into 4, 8. 2 into 4, 8. 8 root 2. That is 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2. 1 root 2 minus 8 root 2. That is minus 7 root 2. Minus 7 root 2. Minus 7 root 2. Okay. And is this the RHS? Is this the RHS? No. So this is also not a solution. This is not a solution. That is your conclusion. This is not a solution. And next one also we will check 1, 1. Next, fifth one is 1, 1. Fifth question is 1, 1. And again you have to substitute x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. X equal to 1 and y equal to 1. And our equation is x minus 2y. LHS is x minus 2y. And it is 1 minus 2 into 1. 1 minus 2. And it is negative 1 is not equal to RHS. So this is also not a solution. Not a solution. Listen, I'll give one more value. You find out whether it is a solution or not. Okay? I'll give one more value.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Check whether it is a solution. And sixth one is, sixth value. Sixth one is, sixth value is 0, negative 2. Check whether it is a solution. Zero, negative 2.
Ma'am, it's a solution.
ചമ്പരിക്ക് എത്ര പോരെ കുറച്ച് അടിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് ഞാൻ കുറച്ച് വൈകിട്ട് വിട്ട് ചേരാം സയൻസ് അല്ലേ ഹോസ്പിറ്റൽ
Mute your audio. Some of your, one of your parent is talking. Mute your audio, okay? Okay, you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the answer?
Not a solution.
Not a solution.
Solution.
Solution, okay, different answers. So x equal to 0 and y equal to negative 2. And our equation is x minus 2y equal to 4. LHS is x minus 2y. 0 minus 2 into what is y?
Negative 2.
Negative 2.
And what is negative 2 into negative 2?
Negative 4.
Negative 4.
Positive 4.
Positive 4.
Positive 4.
Negative 2 into negative 2 is positive 4. That is equal to RHS. So 0, negative 2 is a solution. Is a solution. Okay. So 0, negative 2 is a solution. Negative 2 into negative 2, that is positive 4. Okay. I'll give the next question. Next question is a different type question. Second type question is, okay, second type question is, second type, write the question, write, sorry, not write, find 4 solutions. Find 4 solutions. Find 4 solutions of the equation x plus 2y equal to 6. Find 4 solutions of the equation x plus 2y equal to 6. X plus 2y equal to 6. X plus 2y equal to 6. Okay, I'll tell you how to do it. Can you see me? Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, when you find the answer, just write the equation there, x plus 2y equal to 6. Okay, children. Now, after that, we will give different values of for x. We will try different values, and according to that, what is y's value, that we will find out. Okay, so first of all, we are going to give the value of x as 0. First you try x equal to 0. Then what happen? What will happen to x plus 2y? What will happen? When you substitute x equal to 0, what will happen to this equation? Give one
0
value
plus
for x.
0.
0
0
plus 2y.
0 plus 2y
2y equal to 6.
6.
And 2y equal to 6. What is y?
3.
6 by 2 equal to 3. So
3.
when 0 you give, when you give 0 for instead of x, you got y value as 3. Clear? So we got a solution now, and our solution is 0, 3 is a solution. Did you understand how to do? Give one value for x, and when you give that value x, when you give the value for x, you will get a different value for y. So this is one solution. Next one, you can give another value. Give x equal to 1. Give x equal to 1. Okay. So give one different value for x. Another value, give x equal to 1 and try to find out the solution. What will be the value of y?
Ma'am, over.
Okay. X equal to 1. What is our equation?
X plus 2y is equal to 6.
Yes, x plus 2y equal to 6. And when you give a value for x as 1, you will be getting a 1 plus 2y equal to 6. And 2y you keep here, and 1 you can shift to that side. It is 6 minus 1 and 5. 2y equal to 5. What is y then? 5 by 2. Y is 5 by 2. X equal to 1. Now will you give x equal to 2? So you got a solution here. The solution is 1 and 5 by 2. Solution is 1 and 5 by 2 is a solution. Is a solution. And will you give x equal to 2 for the next? Okay. See children, next value you are going to give is x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Give the value x equal to 2. X equal to 2.
I'm over.
Yes. Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
I'm 2.
3 by 2. 3 by 2.
No. Answer is? What is the answer?
2.
2.
2.
X equal to, sorry, I'll take some other ink. Wait. X equal to 2. So, x minus, x plus 2y equal to 6. And it is 2 plus 2y equal to 6. 2y equal to 6 minus 2 and 4. 2y equal to 4, y equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2.
2.
So, answer is, solution is 2, 2 is a solution. So, we got 3 solutions, right? We got 3 solutions. One more solution we have to find out because our question is find 4 solutions. Okay.
Yes,
And I'll
ma'am.
give one more value. Give x equal to 4. Give x equal to 4. Can you give? X equal to 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. X equal to 4. Give x equal to 4. You can give any value. You can give any value according to your wish. There is no such rule that this value you should give. You can give negative value, you can give fractions, you can give positive values. 0 also.
I'm over.
Yes. Yes. Wait.
I'm over.
What is the value? What is the
0.
value? 0.
I'm 1.
Hari, you are making mistakes. So it is x plus
4.
2y equal to 6. 4 plus 2y equal to 6. Srihari, rectify your mistake. 2y equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So 2y equal to 2. Y equal to
1.
2 by 2 equal to 1. So what is the solution? 4,
4
1
by 1.
4, 1.
4.
is the solution. 4, 1 is. So can you tell the values? How many solutions we got?
4 solutions.
4 solutions. Can you tell which are the solutions? Yes. First one?
Ma'am, 3, 0.
3 0.
Is it 3 0?
0, 3.
3. When you give x equal to 0, value is 3. 0, 3. Second one,
1, 5 by 2.
By 2.
third one,
2, 2.
2, 2. And fourth
2,
one,
2.
4, 1.
4,
4,
4,
1.
1. So this is how to find the value solutions for an equation. Okay, it is very easy. You give any value and according to that you will get y value. So we'll get any number of solutions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. See? Are you happy with your marks?
Yes, ma'am.
Only one yes.
Yes.
What happened to you? Some children got less marks? You did not think. Isn't it? All the questions were easy, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you did not think properly and some children got less marks. No problem. Okay. Next exam you have to write. It means you have to score good marks. Okay, now it's time. Shall I leave now? Okay, children?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
next class you bring the graph sheet. We have to draw the graph. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bring the graph sheet. Next class means it is Saturday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Saturday you have to bring the graph. Shall I leave now? Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Best of luck for the coming exams.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.